In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove exercise calories from MyFitnessPal, step by step. If you've noticed your daily calorie target going up every time you log a workout, that's MyFitnessPal adding back exercise calories. Some people prefer a fixed daily target that doesn't change with activity. I'll show you how to turn off that adjustment so your calorie goal stays consistent throughout the day. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your phone or tablet. Give it a moment to load to the home screen. If you aren't already signed in, look for the login option and tap it. This brings you to the sign in screen. Enter the email address and password you use for your account. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials and that any autofill suggestion is accurate. If you use a password manager, you can use that here as well. When you're ready, tap login again to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, find your profile. Depending on your device, this may appear as a profile icon at the top or under a More or Menu tab at the bottom. Tap your profile to open your account area. From here, choose Goals. This section controls your calorie target, macronutrients, and how exercise affects your daily totals. Inside Goals, look for Exercise Calories. This is the setting that determines whether the app adds calories back when you log a workout. Tap Exercise Calories to open its options. You should see a switch or toggle labeled Adjust My Calorie Goal. Turn that off. With this off, MyFitnessPal will no longer increase your calorie allowance when you log exercise, keeping your goal steady. To finish, confirm and save by tapping the check mark or confirmation option on the screen. This applies your change and returns you to your goals. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place and turn the toggle back on. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If you follow a plan where your daily calories already account for your average activity, turning off exercise calories helps avoid overeating on active days. If you prefer to eat more on high exercise days, you can leave the toggle on. Also, app layouts can differ slightly by device and updates, so the labels may vary, but the flow is the same: profile, goals, exercise, calories, then turn off, adjust my calorie goal, and confirm. That's it. Your calorie target will now remain consistent even when you log workouts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your nutrition tracking simple and consistent.